headlights on the car, put Morimoto's, the XB2s on the car. Looks pretty awesome. Looks a lot better than it did, I think. Gives it a little upgrade there. Let's see how they work here. When you start the car, the DRLs come on. So the DRLs come on there, which, man, going down the road, them things look so awesome. Look at that. And then when I put my lights on, let's see, I put my lights on here. They dim to 50%, the bars, and there's your headlights on. And then the flash to pass works on them, which was a cool thing. And then I did the sequential for the blinkers and for the flashers. I think that looks pretty cool. Going down the road there, that looks pretty badass. Got the sequentials going there. And the flash to pass works, so they work like stock, and everything works just like stock, and man, they're awesome. They work great and they look great. Well, tell me what you think of the new lights, and I'll talk to you guys later. Peace out.